So many girls are doing this mistake. My side, the front part is the very good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi and I hope you guys are doing great. So by the title you guys already know that in today's video we are going to do some really cool and trendy fashion hack which you must try right now. So without any more further delay, let's dive into video. The first fashion hack which I've seen on Instagram, and it's literally all over Instagram, so let's try that one. For that, all you need is 2 shoelaces, and what you need to do is, first you need to tie a knot. Just like this. Now what you have to do is keep following me, okay? I'm going to insert this in my bra. Just like this. And I'm going to make this top a crop top. Or if you have a crop top, then well and good. Now take these 2 strands and make it a zigzag. And again tie a knot over it. And your super cool new top is ready. The second fashion hack is similar to the first one, so let's do it. For the second hack, you don't need 2 shoelaces, only 1 is required. And what you need to do is unbutton your jeans, and you have to do this like this and tie it. Just the same we did in the first one. And that's it, it's done. Don't you think this one was also a cool hack? Also, you can avoid the jeans and wear the shorts because it's summertime and you can do this hack. Are you finding this fashion hack really interesting? Then keep on watching. Now coming to the third hack, and for that we need a shirt, and this is the orange shirt. I really like this one. This is very comfy. Oh wait, I know आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं कि इतनी गर्मी का टाइम है और मैंने शर्ट पहन के रखा है. So this is the hack number 3. कैसे मैं शर्ट को summer outfit बना सकती हूँ. Follow me for that. So generally what we do is we unbutton the shirt and just tie it like this. Like literally so many girls are doing this mistake because what happened is we can see a loop. I mean हम एक तरीके से छेद देख सकते हैं. What we have to do is हमें ऐसे करना है and then tie it. And this is how you should knot your shirt. And wait, it's not over yet. What we are going to do is we are going to fold the neckline so that it looks like a neckline. We are going to fold the sleeves. Coming to the fashion hack 4, what you need is a black shrug or any color shrug, just like this. And what we are going to do is we are going to do like this from one end, and from the second end again like this. Okay, and now at the back tie a knot. And your very new top is ready. what do you think about this hack? Comment down below and let me know about it, because there are more fashion hacks waiting for you. Coming to the hack number 5, for that you need this rug only, and let's do this one. I have seen this 5th hack on Instagram so much that every blogger and Instagrammer is filled with this hack also. So what you need to do is, you need to put one end into your bra. When you tie a knot over here, you need again a shoelace. Tie it over here again. And tie a knot over here. Okay, now coming to the last hack, and I'm sure this hack you're also gonna love it. So what you need is a shirt, and we are just going to button up one, and now we are going to fold it like this. And we are going to tie it with a rope end. Now we are going to fold it like this. Okay, so honestly I like the front part, but I didn't like the back, because you can see, right? It's becoming very bulky and not in a proper shape. See, can you see this? Yeah. So from my side, the front part is very good, but at the back is like, nah. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this fashion hack very interesting. So don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and share this video, and also comment down below which hack you like the most and you are going to try it, because if you are going to try any of the fashion hack from this video, please tag me on my Instagram. I'm definitely going to reshare it on my story. So this is my Instagram user ID, so go follow me over there also. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.